guys, my name is Lindy and I'm going to show you some tips and techniques using Justine's Purely Perfect range. First, I'm going to start off with the Purely Perfect Concealer. It is a liquid concealer and I'm using the shade Light. I've also chosen a concealer brush, which is very similar to an eyeshadow brush, but it is flat on the ends. I've chosen a shade that is a little bit lighter than my skin tone, just to highlight under my brow bone. I've already filled in my brows with brow powder, but this last step just helps finish off the look. I'm also going to apply some of the concealer to my eyelids, so that it acts as an eyeshadow primer to make your eyeshadow last longer. Next, I'm going to use the Purely Perfect Color with Care mascara. This is a black, and the reason why I love this mascara is because of the brush. It's got a very thick brush and also it is waterproof. So you don't have to worry about watery eyes, teary eyes, and also you don't have to worry about your mascara smudging throughout the day. So I'm holding a mirror just below my chin, and this is how I apply my mascara. I like to add a few layers for that extra volume, and then also at the bottom. I am going to be using a Purely Perfect liquid foundation as well as the concealer. The concealer color is light and the foundation is a creamy natural, and it has an SPF of 15 in it. When I sweep my brush, I blend a little bit of it, as opposed to when I dab it, I'm holding the coverage. And that's it. This is my final look. What do you guys think? I am ready to conquer the day.